Narcissists love to end relationships exactly like this. They don't end things with clarity, they end things with confusion. One day you feel chosen, and the next day you feel completely erased. There is no honest conversation, only emotional withdrawal that feels sudden but was planned. They slowly start pulling away while pretending everything is still normal. Their messages get colder, their tone becomes distant, and their presence feels forced. But if you ask what's wrong, they will tell you nothing is wrong at all. This is the beginning of their silent exit strategy. Narcissists rarely give you closure because closure gives you power. Instead, they create emotional chaos so you stay stuck trying to understand what happened. They might pick small fights over meaningless things just to justify their detachment. Or they will accuse you of being too sensitive, too needy, or too difficult to love. This shift is intentional because it allows them to rewrite the story in their favor. Now you are no longer the person they once adored. You are the problem they need to escape. Sometimes, they don't even officially break up with you at all. They simply disappear emotionally while still being physically or digitally present. This is what makes it so painful, because you feel the loss before it's even spoken. And when they finally do leave, it often feels cold, rushed, and strangely unemotional. As if everything you shared meant far less to them than it did to you. In many cases, they already have someone else lined up before they end things. This is why their exit feels so smooth, so detached, and almost rehearsed. They don't leave with grief, they leave with replacement. And that replacement gives them the validation they were already craving. The most painful part is not just the ending, it's how easily they detach. It makes you question your worth, your memories, and even your reality. But the truth is, they didn't lose feelings overnight. They just stopped investing long ago. And once you understand this pattern, something inside you starts to shift. You stop chasing closure from someone who was never capable of giving it. You realize that their ending says more about their emptiness than your value. And slowly, you begin to reclaim the power they tried to take from you.